Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how to download Viber to your Windows 10. So for doing that you just need to write here Viber download. After just tap on download. Here you just need to download, tap on download, and after you just need to open downloads and just tap on Viber setup. So now just tap on install and wait until it will successfully. So I just open the second window, I will close it. So now you just need to wait until it will successfully install it on your computer. So here you can see it, and now just it successfully download Viber on Windows. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, goodbye.